Remove the 2 screws below the armrest. Pry off the red cover on the side and unscrew the screws. Pry the board loose from the bottom right. After disconnecting the horn plug, the door panel can be taken off. Remove the lock safety wire. Disassemble according to the wiring. Remove the door cover. Put away the harness. Pull off the water retaining strip. Remove the silicone plug from the door. Unscrew the screw L that fixes the glass. Loosen the screw R that fixes the glass, just loosen it. Take out a long flathead screwdriver and pry loose the silicone sheet that fixes the glass. Remove the glass. Untie other plugs and clasps. Unscrew the screws that fix the board's pieces. Includes these 2 black screws to secure the window lifter. Unfasten the board and take it out. Unplug the door handle power plug. Use a long bit to unscrew the 3 screws securing the handle and take the handle out. Unscrew the screw that fixes the socket on the original handlebar door handle and remove the socket. Take out the matching metal gasket and place it at the socket of the electric suction door handle. Install the socket of the original car. Buckle the installed door handle back on the car. Unscrew the 3 fixed screws. Plug back in the power plug. Take out the matching reddish thread. Connect the plug of the electric suction door handle. Take out the electrical tape and wrap it around the plug so it doesn't come loose. Use zip ties to secure the wires along the wires inside from top to bottom. Pry off the short cover after pulling off the rubber strip. Pry out the black buckle and pull the bottom plate. Pry out the fixed black buckle. Pull off the outer rubber sleeve and fixing buckle. Take out the wax and spray it into the sleeve to make it easier to pass the thread. Thread the steel wire into the rubber sleeve first. Thread the wire through the hole. Secure the wires to the wire with tape. Spray wax on the wire. Start pulling the other end. Pass the line through the fixing buckle in the middle of the card to the inside of the card. Tuck back the rubber sleeve and buckle. Trim the tie. Put the black board in the middle back. Install snapbacks and plugs. Screw back the screws, the black screws that fix the window lifter. Install back the window glass. Screw back the screw L that fixes the glass. Don't need to tighten too much. Slightly tighten the screw R that holds the glass. Reinstall the water strip. Connect the puddle light to test whether the window function is normal. Window glass movement indicates normal function. Secure the safety wire to the door. Install the rubber strip on the side of the door and adjust the alignment of the window glass. The installer couldn't push it because he tightened the screws that fix the glass, so everyone must not tighten the screws L and R too tightly. The edge of the glass orange line needs to be parallel to the side line of the pillar red line. If not parallel, adjust the glass with push paddle. After alignment, enter from the co-pilot to the main driver. Now you can tighten the screws L and R that fix the glass, but not to the end, otherwise the glass will break. Because the panel has not been connected yet, you need to go outside from the co-pilot. Replacing the silicone plug. Get back the door panel. Put the puddle light back in place. Install snapbacks and plugs. Reinstall the door panels. Plug and replace the speaker. Reinstall the two screws under the armrest. Replace the screws on the sides of the door and replace the red cover. Remove the two screws below the armrest. Pry the board loose from the bottom right and take off. Disassemble according to the wiring. Remove the door cover. Remove the silicone plug from the door. Unscrew the silver ones holding the glass in place. Remove the window glass. Unscrew the screws that fix the black board. Unplug the plug and retaining buckle. Unscrew the 2 screws, black ones securing the window lifter. Remove the black board. Unplug the door handle power plug. Use a long bit to unscrew the 3 screws securing the handle and take the handle out. Unscrew the screw that fixes the socket on the original handlebar door handle and remove the socket. Take out the matching metal gasket and place it at the socket of the electric suction door handle. Install the socket of the original car. Buckle the installed door handle back on the car. Unscrew the 3 fixed screws. Plug back in the power plug. Take out the matching blue wire and connect it to the door handle. Take out the electrical tape and wrap it around the plug so it doesn't come loose. Use zip ties to secure the wires along the wires inside. Pull the rubber strip and pull the cover. Unscrew the screws and pull off the cover. Use pliers to remove the white buckle. Pull off the outer rubber sleeve and fixing buckle. take out the pliers, you need to cut a hole in the socket. Take out the wax and spray it into the sleeve to make it easier to pass the thread. Thread the steel wire into the rubber sleeve first. Tape the wires to the wire. Spray wax on the wire. Start pulling the other end. Take out the pliers, you need to cut a hole in the button. Pass the line through the middle of the card to the inside of the car. Pull the wire to the main driver's door. Align the sockets inside. Connect the plug on the outside and plug it in. Replace the cover and screws. Install the silicone plug inside the door. Trim the tie. Put the board back. Screw back the side screws, the black screws that fix the window lifter. Flip open the water retaining strip. Replace the window glass. You can see if the hole is aligned with the screw hole. Screw back the screws L and R that hold the glass. Do not need to fully tighten silver gray. Connect the puddle light to test whether the window function is normal. Reinstall the water strip. The edge of the glass needs to be parallel to the side line of the pillar. If not parallel, adjust the glass with push paddle. After alignment, drive into the rear row from the other side door. Now you can tighten the screws L and R that fix the glass, but not to the end, otherwise the glass will break. Replacing the silicone plug. Get back the door panel. Reinstall the buckle and plug according to the original wiring. Reinstall the door panel. Reinstall the 2 screws under the armrest. Tuck the wire pulled from the left rear row into the gap and straighten it out. Wrap the wires of the main driver in the rear row on the steel wire. Pass through the mat from the bottom. The left hand controls the direction of the wire. Transfer to co-pilot. Take away the mat. Pull off the rubber strip and short cover. Button down the black buckle and pull the bottom panel. Take off the black buckle. Pry off the cover from the side. Pull out the wire and continue under the mat. Tuck the wire pulled from the right rear row into the gap and fix it. Take out the double-sided tape and paste it on the control box. Insert the plugs into the control box one by one according to the color. Find the empty blue socket on the side and insert the blue plug into it. Open the front trunk and remove the cover. Unscrew the screws on the left and right sides and remove the cover. Remove the battery cap. Pull the silicone plug on the left side. Pass the red and black battery wires through the gap. Connect the wires to the battery red positive, black negative. Replace the battery cap. Put back the middle cover and replace the two screws. Replacing the silicone plug. Put back the top cover. Cover back the side panels. Replace the black stud. Reinstall the bottom plate and fasten the black pins. Reinstall the short cover and rubber strip. The same is true for the main driver.